That's what we about. Living by the sea, sipping on some rum under the shade of a tree. That's what we about. Just feel the warm breeze. Living young and wild and free.
I know, and he takes time. Look at that. And it's only 8 in the morning. He's drunk. No bueno.
I didn't want to drink this more enough, but now I started, so I can't stop.
Bad influence.
Taking over the whole company.
Don't stop.
Don't stop. Get it.
Oh my god, this guy, I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, clear my space. Kyle?
Sipping on some rum. The sun, ocean, on an island where no one can find me. The sun, ocean, and the party just begun.
No me gusta. No me gusta? Okay.
That's what we about. Living by the sea, sipping on some rum under the shade of a tree. That's what we about. Just feel the warm breeze. Living young and wild and free. That's what we about. Living by the sea, sipping on some rum under the shade of a tree. That's what we about. Just feel the warm breeze. Living young and wild and free.
Are you taking us eating the taco?
Yes.
Are you guys saying I do?
Yes, with this taco.
It's right here.
the side, isn't
Underneath here, Val. Look.
These shells are so pretty, look. Look at this one. You don't find shells like this in California.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again.
I'ma break so hard. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of that mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink-182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. I know it breaks my heart. We moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no call. And I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older.
Do we need a picture in the cave? Let's get drink first. Okay. Hey, every bar. What's that? Every bar. Every bar. Oh yeah.
Okay. Can we get 3 more shots? Theirs is bigger. Theirs is bigger. 3 more.
3?
Yeah.
Race.
Kunin sa kanya na? No.
All the money. Smile. Smile, you guys on camera. Oh, 6 is yes. Smile, you guys on camera. How come we always gotta do fucking hard shot, dude? Hey, why you always do a girl shot? Yeah.
What?
Do a girl shot. Why you guys to be hardcore? My money all the way over there.
These are girl shots.
That's not a girl shot. I'm waiting for you here. Yeah.
How long would throw up just watching it?
That's agave. Oh shit, that's fucking big.
Oh, that is little. That's a lot. Okay, little. Yeah, one more little one. No, this time is longer. Okay, yeah.
Whoever comes gotta drink one too. The little two gotta drink, man.
Oh, do you have chaser?
Come on, babe. What is this song one?
Babe, sit down.
Only. Hey.
Oh, wait.
Let me get me going.
Oh, line and dinas? Okay, get done. You want line? Ôi, tôi sẵn tỏ mà, phải cái tôi hầu trong đây. Okay. Okay, damn. No bueno.
Alright, brothers. I love you guys. Don't you hear me? Enrique and Miguel. Friend for life. Yeah, friend for life. Enrique. Miguel.
Hey, there's a trail over here. Is that your brother-in-law?
That's your husband.
That's my husband.
He's yelling. He's the one yelling. He's my lost brother. Ai nó cột cho kia ra thả.
Come here, let's talk. Babe, you should go over there. Wait. Go wait for him. Go wait for him.
I don't know if you're speaking Korean or Mexican. It's combination, you know? I'm still making friends with Miguel. Miguel told me a good restaurant tomorrow.
How's your ass?
No, I go like this. No, it good. It feel good and hurt at the same time, man.
There are kids.
Let them go first, guys. Hey, go on the right side.
Hey, Pongyos, amigos, come here, amigos.
Drunken guys.
Amigos.
You guys go first.
How do you say brother? How do you say brother in Spanish?
Hermano.
Hermanos.
Hermano drunk. Hermano drunko.
Hermano chapas. Chapos?
Chapos.
What the hell are you talking about?
You guys.
Hello, Brenda. Hello, Mina. Hey, how about me? Me who have young?
Ipas.
No, I
Ipas.
Hello, man.
Ipas.
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
How Ipan?
What the fuck?
Hello.
Hey, we go to France next time.
Nãy cô lìa.
Por favor. Por favor.
Let's go.
Por favor, s'il vous plaît.
Too bright. Can't get the background.
Tu vois? Oh, let's go.
The dealer là phải vậy, the dealer was cousin.
How'd you get dealer? Which one dealer now? Rồi, cái lấy dealer.
I tell you, I made me. Thôi.
Bố có to hơn đầu kìa. Bố có to hơn đầu kìa.
That's a real medal.
It's not fake.
Medal.
It's not fake. 这过 Hotel California right here. Hey, come on, let's go. Yeah, you got to thrust. Don't lean back, man. Thrust.
Just lean back.
My cigarette is dying. Hello. Uno.
No speak English.
Me no speak English and me a lot of tequila. Oh, you got all those ones. Hello, make two.
Hello, 3Ds, man.
Hello, we just pull it.
So, señorita, so señorita teach me more, man. But
Có xe ở Palo ra.
okay, just because I went to exercise with Palo doesn't mean I like that, man.
Hola.
Hola, señor.
Señor. Hey, you gonna get 10? This is not the place to get 10. The place to get 10 is down there.
He was tanning, and now I'm in the shade.
You've been here for a while.
No, I was up there, then I came down here.
California.
I think this is you, right?
Yeah. Alright. How's it going, California? You like it? How's the trip?
Okay.
Good.
Damn, Dinah, you skinny. I can see your bone. You know you have a piece of hair on you that's going to leave a mark, right? I get it. Right here.
These are the girls who are going to get 10. Amy and Dinah.
We're actually in the sun.
Yeah, 10 by 10 there.
Those guys are in the shade.
Yeah. Have fun. Let's go see the drunk guys. Uno más.
Yeah,
Uno más.
never leave this shit.
Uno más.
You wanna? Go, man. You know what? Today I just slammed a Bloody Mary.
What's that, a Bloody Mary?
Yeah, we just slammed Bloody Mary.
Where's mine?
Years coming up.
Over. Yeah, we never had lunch.
What?
Right?
What?
No.
Breakfast over? But what about lunch?
No, where's lunch?
What you say?
Lunch at 1:30.
Jimmy, what you say?
Speak English.
Yeah, what you say?
Baby, you up in the
Talk about no line ah. 干啥找不到啊
What? 找不到钱。
哎，
That's not even
All
his
these
wife.
guys,
That's not his wife.
they are very busy. Say woo 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 woo.
We're not going home yet. What the fuck?
Half.
What is this? What did Miguel get us? Oh no.
咁啊摸係路
Rodriguez?
摸係路呀，摸係路啦，多嘢嘅知多啦，你知多係多聲。
Yes.
Yeah.
If you're gonna fucking come, just fucking come, man. If you're not come,
No,
fucking
don't come,
stay
don't
away.
You come, you come.
Yeah, fucking not gonna come, stay away.
今晚
Fuck it.
fucking turn that shit on, man. I don't hear myself tomorrow saying that shit.
What's your name? What's your BB?
Yeah, what's your 公 BB
不谈我
不发去，跟我去。
告轱辘，
我来告
给我走下，估计也没有来。But seriously, we can do it. Seriously, we can do it. I guarantee we can do it.
We can do it.
不要，真的。
要。
太前面一点啊！哎，哦，晒等了。
好，给上。
都那呀，哦呀，那姑呀，有了我这呢，姑呀在过呢，今天呢，我有了，你要带我去我去的。
cái này cái xíu ra
hả
cái này cái xíu ra
bún heo của xíu ra bún heo hoa máy va
có gì à
xíu lít tia
câu ra
của Andy
thằng kia này cái này
不只要菜热了菜热，不能要麻烦。Oh my god！ 对，毕竟嘞我用猪骨椒也好料吃的。
OK， coi từ đâu rồi ok hậu cầm kia cái này có hậu này hậu cầm kia hậu mày ôi nhớ video lấy chụp bao giờ em chụp còn vâng Roses
nãy quả xí nào
hai của em một lần lên đi quay I'm not gonna put it around your neck.
Ready? Okay.
Alright, our turn.
Okay. Are you just videotaping?
Yeah, it's video.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Hey, it's good.
1, 2, 3.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
No, I don't want to fall.
Do it.
No, I don't want to fall. He's gonna throw me in the water!
No, it's not. No, it's not. Don't throw her. Don't throw her.
First time ever.
What? First time ever. Do it. Hey. Good.
Good. This is a good adventure package.
Let's stop here. Going right. Yeah. Stop. All right, let's go. My shoes got a lot of sand in there. California, đi sao? Tỏ mà sao? Đi tỏ mà đây, hold on. California, Florida, Florida.
Okay thôi.
Okay đó.
Yeah, okay. Chỉ nhớ cái nhớ tuổi thế à?
Qua去，过去。
告轱辘，
我来告。
给我走下，估计也没有来。But seriously, we can do it. Seriously, we can do it. I guarantee we can do it.
We can do it.
Chưa,真的。
Yeah.
太前面一点啊。太，哦，晒到了。
OK sir.
Tụi nó ya, ôi ya, nó cú ya, giờ là quá chi nó, ít cú ya chết quần à, chuyện đấy nó, cú giờ là, nhà tao会去quá chi đó, tụi nó
cái này cái siêu chưa?
Hả?
Cái này cái siêu chưa?
Bún heo của siêu chưa? Bún heo hoa mai va.
Có gì à?
Siêu lít tia.
Câu chưa?
Của Andy.
Thằng kia này, cái này.
Cô. Bút chỉ giờ chơi riêng là chơi gì? Con này giờ mang vàng.
Oh my god.
Để phía kia đây cô用chú cô cho vậy gì hậu leo chả rồi.
Ok. Coi thử đâu rồi.
Đủ rồi đó.
Ok, hậu cầm bao kia.
Cái này có sao này?
Hậu cầm bao kia.
Hổ mày. Ôi.
Nhưng video lấy chụp bao thì em chụp còn vâng. Gracias.
Này quả xứng nào.
hai của em một lần lên như vậy. Anh đang không biết em đang nhìn này.
Ready? Okay.
Alright, our turn.
Okay. Are you just videotaping?
Yeah, it's video.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Em này là chưa.
1, 2, 3.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
No, I don't want to fall.
Do it.
No, I don't want to fall. He's gonna throw me in the water.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Don't throw her. Don't throw her.
First time ever.
What? First time ever. Do it. Hey. Good?
Good. This is a good adventure package.
Just stop here. Going right.
It's been 24 hours, not more hours with you. We spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. But I thought would, babe. But there be close.
I just got a lot of sand in there.
Đi sao? Tao đi tao với người ta đâu đâu đâu. Không đi à? Con rồi đó. Con rồi đó. Ok đó.
like it.